Hello, sir. How are you? I'm very blessed. Thank you for asking. My name is Thabile Sibego. I am a president of Ilizwe Nathi, a political party in South Africa. We are here because apparently the tenants who are residing here has been abused by this gentleman who happens to be a Nigerian nation. Initially, he claimed that the property was his, and subsequent to that, he changes that the property is not his, it belongs to you. Now, on those basis, we would love to see you, and further to that, we want to definitely see that you are the owner of the property. I do believe that you understand we've got a crisis in South Africa where many Nigerian nations have hijacked our properties, and by virtue we are recovering our properties.
We are talking now. My guy is working for me. He's a legal, documented person in this country. Okay? Your friend or whoever she is for you is not paying a rent. Alright? Which is a problem. You cannot reside in a property and not pay your rent.
Under circumstances, her reasons are justified. She was under the impression that this gentleman, who happens to be a Nigerian nation, is the owner of the property. And subsequently things have changed and now you are said to be the owner. Now I think the best that we can do,
Any documentation that he is the owner?
but he had made those claims. None that we have seen, but he made the claims. Yeah, he made the claims. Now we know that we've got the crisis.
The claim that your person agreed to pay the rent and she's not paying the rent.
Yes.
That is a problem.
Now you're making the claims that you are the property owner. May I ask your name?
No, you may not.
May I know what's your name? Your full names?
No, you may not.
Can we meet you? Can we meet up with you?
Cannot.
We cannot meet up with
Either
you.
Your person, whatever she is of you, I don't know what she is, she pays the rent, or she can take herself and go live where she doesn't have to pay rent. I'm not a political party, I'm a business person.
Yeah, but we need the assurance. We need the assurance, number one. We need to know if this guy is truly the owner of this property. Yes, we need to know that he's truly the owner of the property.
This is the man. I showed her today. He's the one calling back. He's there. It's not me. I told her before.
Hello?
I'm working as a agent.
Okay, I'm going to make a phone call now, and then we'll have fun.
You're gonna make a phone call and we'll have fun.
Yes,
Or what do you mean by that?
watch and see.
Watch and see. All right. Okay, we'll be waiting then to see the fun. If that is a threat, let us wait for the fun that which he is saying he's going to bring. We need to know definitely if he's the owner of this property. Now, this property brings us to the attention of this property to further conduct an investigation to be certain. Yes. In spite of the fact that he's white, we know that there are many white who are also co-criminals in these properties. And here in Germiston, there are a lot of white people who are involved in property hijackings. And what do? They mostly take the properties and they hand over to Nigerian nations. I've got many records of such things that are happening. So what we need to do now, we need that assurance that he is the owner of this property by virtue that you are managing this property and you are not even considering the laws. You are violating the rights of these people. South Africa has the laws that are specific. You can't just chase a person out just by not paying rent 1 month. If you are a legal person in South Africa, you must observe the laws. This person deserves.
Mphakathi waseKuruleni usibusiso lo again ngiza nazo zinjalo. Namhlanje sibuyile sila eGreenfield ngesimo sokuthi one of the community members under iMarch and March yokuthi mabahambe uye wadubuleka namhlanje around 6:20 whereby that issue yenze i-community yaphuma yamobilizer because it's been mobilizing ukuthi mabahambe. So the community is now out but then awuhlale kanje ulalele indaba nazo ziyazi Molweni tata njani?
Siyaphila kunjani futhi?
Siyaphila tata. Njoba sila again eZekurhuleni News. Ngicela nixelele abantu baseKurhuleni ukuthi sekwenzakaleni futhi.
Namhlanje kuseni ngo-22:06 kududulwe omnye wabahlali which is since uKhutshane bangaphandle. Siyacinga uba loo nto ihambelana naloo nto leyo into yodubuleka kwakhe as much as singamapolisa singekaphandi but isondelene kuloo nto leyo because ngomnye utata esihamba naye lowo. It was 22:06 ududulwa kwakhe.
So okwamanje akalimalanga kakhulu usesibhedlela or what's happening?
Leyo bhuti asikwazi uba sibe siyibeka phandle because okube sigcwele ekuseni simhambise ekliniki ePhola Park, then ukuthi kusaqhubeka ntoni sikayifumana i-update, then I can't be sure ukuthi u-critical okanye ukanjani, but exesha bendihamba naye ekuseni bekukubi. Then ke
kuye kwenzakala ukuthi mangiloko ngenza le story lesi because I've been here around 2 times or 3 times. Kulezi story bengiloko ngizenza bengiloko ngizwa i-concern yamaphoyisa eSedin Park ukuthi they are not helping with anything. So ngithi angibuze namanje ukuthi amaphoyisa ke kule role or whatever seyenzakale namhlanje ngo-6:20, is there anything sebaqalile ukuyenza?
Amaphoyisa sidesa yolanda ngokwethu e-police station. I think beze sibuya nokumhambisa, I think bekabo past 7 ukolanda kwethu ngekafika which is umntana wakhe bengawafonela amaphoyisa, but ke sile sawalanda sabuya nawo ayenza umsebenzi wabo, but ke ekugqibeleni singumphakathi walapha awasincedi nganto amapolisa aseSedin Park, asebenzela abantu bangaphandle not thina sivoters zalapha eSouth Africa. Basebenzela abantu abangavotiyo kweli lizwe. Thina voters asivakali.
Njoba nje seniphumile ke manje nomphakathi, nithini kuyinkokheli ehamba phambili ngoba amaphoyisa aseSedin Park vele awanisizi ngalutho, kodwa ke inkokheli ehamba phambili njengabo omeya, njengabo ama-march and march activists, bona abo babuphakela, bona abo babumculo, bona abo Sis Jacinta.
Siyacela abo Sis Jessica nophakela umthakathi, siyacela ukuthi make beze nathi la eKurhuleni eGreenfield bazosiphathisa lo msebenzi esiwuphethe. Njengamanje ubona asimanga iyaqhubeka umsebenzi we-march and march, siyasho namanje mabahambe. Then siyacela ukuthi if bayethola lo myalezo sicela beze bazosincedisa, singajabula kakhulu.
Usibusiso lo wakakhanya ngilo ngisho njalo ngithi inkokheli eKurhuleni ngicela ni-attend indaba yaseGreenfield because it's been different stories I've been doing, trying ukuthi nani nilalele nikwazi ukuzwa ikhala zabantu bomphakathi eGreenfield. Babuphakela, babumchunu, sisizuma, siyanicela bakithi ukuthi ningene nani ngapha ePhambridge nizozwa ukuthi ningasiza kanjani kulesehlakalo esenzakalayo because lesi asisokuqala, last bekushe i-residential home yomuntu oqhashisile abantu, then after what happening now namhlanje kuthuthula umuntu, so i-community is very scared ukuthi what's going to happen next because now lezi zinto zilokhu zenzeka and amaphoyisa awasizi ngalutho. So ke inkokheli siyanicela siyanxusa ngenelelana.
Well, don't ask your business to stop. Ana queria mensagem para dois daqui. Ana tem uma mensagem para dois daqui. Estão andando de Jezar essa moça aqui. Só sul-africanos aqui de Jezar. Ah, mas fuck off. Não tinha. Poças. Vai embora lá, sul-africanos. Ana queria Jezar os africanos daqui para dois daqui. You're stupid.
Já chega.
São estúpidos, gente.
Já chega.
Ainda querem. Aqui no país não é possível. Isso que fez aqui. Isso que fez. Não deixou aqui na janela. Aqui. Não vi. Parece que somos gente. Alô, não é possível. Que vão embora. Vão embora. Fuck off. You must fuck off. Fuck off the people. Shit. Estúpidos. Vai jogar na rala. Vai ter um problema. Nosso país. O que é isso aí? Rasgou aquela cena lá. Essas sul-africanas rasgou coisa aqui.
Como é que vem rasgar? Como é que vem rasgar aqui?
Rasgou aqui.
Isso aqui.
Estamos a sabotar nosso país.
Estúpidas mesmo.
No nosso próprio país.
Abusaram quando estão a matar nossas famílias. Nossos irmãos estão a morrer lá.
Tu
Yes, yes, yes.
We didn't swim to other
Legal
We came with papers. You guys are our helpers at home.
Oh, hey.
Say it.
Why are you coming in Mozambique?
Why were you there?
Where? I'm in the
We're not
county.
here to
And you?
decide. We're here to visit.
To visit?
Unlike you. We're not here
Where?
to go to
Where?
We're here to visit.
Where the beautiful county. That's why you like it. Why you coming?
We pay
So
you
why you chase us then? Why you chase us? You are stupid guys, you South Africa people. You are very stupid. Why don't go to your president? Why didn't you go to Cape Town? Why you come in Mozambique? Very stupid. People, we cross with you people. We're not help with you guys. We're not help with you guys. We're very close with South Africa people. I tell you guys, you must go tell your president to fuck off. Yes. Yes. And I make video also.
Yes.
I make video.
Yes. You want my passport?
South Africa and Tobago. South Africa must go. Black people, South Africa must go. All the black people must go. You must go. You must go. You must go. You motherfucking too. Okay, let's see. You are very stupid. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Vai embora! Eu não abusar, eu vou matar meus irmãos. Rua! Rua! Vai embora! Vai embora do nosso país! Vão matar nossos irmãos de qualquer maneira lá! Irmã, desculpa lá! Vão matar nossos irmãos!
Well, don't ask your president to stop. Ana queria me ser trabalhadores daqui. Ana estão me ser trabalhadores daqui. Estão andando de Jezar, essa moça aqui. Só sul-africanos aqui, de Jezar. Ah, mas fuck off. Not here. Poças, vão embora lá, sul-africanos. Ana queria de Jezar, os empregados daqui, trabalhadores daqui. You're stupid.
Já chega!
São estúpidos, gente!
Já chega!
Ainda querem aqui nesse país não é possível! Isso que fecha aqui! Isso que fecha! Não é aqui na janela! Aqui! Não vi! Parece que somos nesse país! Não é possível! Que vão embora! Vão embora! Fuck off! You must fuck off! Fuck off the people! Shit! Stupid! Vai tomar na rala! Vai ter um problema na comunidade! Nosso país! Que é isso aí? Rasgou aquela cena lá! Essas sul-africanas rasgou coisa aqui!
Como é que vem rasgar? Como é que vem rasgar aqui?
Rasgou
Olha lá
aqui!
isso aqui!
Estão a sabotar nosso país!
Estúpidas mesmo!
No nosso próprio país!
Elas abusarem quando vão matar nossas famílias! Nossos irmãos estão a morrer lá!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
We didn't swim to other We came with papers. You guys are our helpers at home.
Oh! Hey!
Chega, deixa eu lá.
Say it.
Why are you coming in Mozambique?
Why were you there?
Where? I'm in the
We're not
county.
here to
And you?
decide. We're here to visit.
To visit?
Unlike you. We're not here
Where?
to go to
Where?
We're here to visit.
Where the beautiful county. That's why you like it. Why you coming?
We pay
So
you
why you chase us then? Why you chase us? You are stupid guys, you South Africa people. You are very stupid. Why don't go to your president? Why didn't you go to Cape Town? Why you come in Mozambique? Very stupid. People, we cross with you people. We're not help with you guys. We're not help with you guys. We're very close with South Africa people. I tell you guys, you must go tell your president to fuck off. Yes. Yes. And I make video also.
Yes.
I make video.
Yes. You want my passport?
Uyazi besilokhu sicomplaina sithi izwe lethu libeka umthetho lingawulandeli. Ngibona ngathi bekungcono. Yabona izwe elinemithetho eminingi. Izwe elingalawuleki. Hey guys, ngicela ukunitshela mina I'm warning you South Africans as a member of South African. I'm a South African fully. But yabona lento lesicalile manje uthi sizicontrol. Guys, let me tell you something. Siyovukelana sisodwa. Uma singavuka su10 kusasa singamfuna umkhize, siyomfomela itoyito yakhe umkhize simsuse. Uma kukhona usomabhizinisi omhlampeni esesimjelasela, lalelani nginitshele, siyomfomela indaba, simfomela iskemu, simfomela amanga, simtotoyele simsuse. Lokho sesikuqalile South Africa bafethu ngeke sikulawule nasi. I cross my finger. La sesithethe nje umthetho sawuthatha ezandleni ene ngiyanitshela siyodlanana size siqedane. As much as lithi iBhayibheli asidlanane kepha singaqedani, thina siyoqedana ngamanga. Njengoba sikwazile abanye sabaqoshe eSouth Africa sibe sibazi kahle ukuthi abanayo intembu abayenzile. Lokho siyakwazi futhi ngeke ngize ngiyeke ukukhuluma ngoba iqiniso ngiyalazi ukuthi abanye sibaqoshela umona, abanye sibaqoshela ukuthi ba drive imoto enkulu asinazo, abanye sibaqoshela ukuthi ba own amabhizinisi thina sihlulekile, sabaqosha abantwana babantu bangenzanga lutho, abanye sibaqoshela ukuthi mhlawumbe sifuna ukugwamandela amandla wabo, sifuna ukuba twister into zabo siyithathe. Lalelani nginitshele, lento esiyenzile abantu bangaphandle siyoyenza nakithi. Siyoyenza nakithi, siyobulalana sodwa thina. Trust me, ngiyanitshela mina. Ngelo business ngisaba ukufa, ngisaba ukuthukwa, futhi ngenze ngife mina ngeplan yomuntu. Ngeke ngife mina ngokuzingelwa yini. I'm telling you the truth. Akube wafa. I cannot just shut up ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe ngisaba ukuthi kuneyinto. Hey lalelani, uma uyinsizwa ekhohlakela insizwe namanga, you'll be having to stop. This is our country. Angeke size sivume ukuthi i-country yethu siyilawule ngamanga. Ngeke size sivume ukuthi i-country yethu siyilawule ngamanga. Angeke size sibadala masinje. Angiyona ingane mina ngimdala. Hawu, sibona izwe libhubha liphela sithula. Niyokhohlisa yena uRamaphosa loyo ngoba vele naye ukhohlakele. Kodwa nje iqiniso thina siyolikhuluma esinalo, siyohlupheka siliphethe ngoba vele iqiniso alikhokheli. Iqiniso alikhokheli. Siphila nje sinamatalente, mara amathalente wethu awanakiwe ngoba asikwazi ukugwazela, asikwazi ukudiza, asikwazi ukukhokha. Alikho iqiniso lapho kini, alikho. Alikho iqiniso, alikho. Ngiyanitshela mina 99. Ngeke mina ngumfundisi amaqiniso ngizodlalwa yini. Ngeke nje ngizengidlalwe yini, sengikhulumile futhi kuphelela lapho. Ngithi mina lo mona esusebenzisayo eSouth Africa, leso usebenzisa even nasebantwini bangaphandle, sebehambile uyosala kithi. Siyoqambelana sodwa amanga, siyocindezelana sisodwa, siyoshayana sisodwa, siyobulalana sisodwa, siyototelana sisodwa, siyozondana sisodwa ngoba sinenzondo. The inzondo, it is planted in our lives.
Yabo manje senipaka ngobusuku manje. Lani benihleleleni sonke lesikhathi ningahambi. Ngoba sishilo phela ukuthi imashini mashi izohlala ikhona njani. Manje sefuna usokolisa umntwana ebusuku kube lento yenzeka nje. Unini bathi hambani. Asho nizobuya amaphepha mase wa right. Inkinga imali. Asho one when uyaza uhamba unibhalisela le. Bese seneyakhuphuka senikhuphuka. Kuba udosa vele le suitcase man.
Angishela nje.
Nakuba ngoba ngishile suitcase.
Yes. Why not don't let suitcase?
Why not don't let suitcase?
Why not fast let suitcase uhambe nayo? Next kwam. Yenga asiza.
Manje nithukumeza abantwana manje sebusuku manje funeni uyoboshwa anamaphepha ngazuthi beningazi ukuthi funeni hambe why nifuna ukuthatha ama-chance kahle kahle nifuna ukubonana manje nizibhacele la endlini nihaka izingubo kumnyama ngathi akunabantu kanti nikhona la endlini nabathi nihluphekisa abantwana manje hayi mina nina nilaleli mina nazi izinkwa lapha nezinkwa ngeniphathele lapha nedrink yenzelana abantwana sesi or kufake na nazi izinkwa lapha sifakele eplastikini
Uma ungaphuma manje uhambe uye eNigeria as a South African.
Okay.
Uyofuna amaphepha. Fune kuko konke. Actually, uma uhamba around including Mozambique,
including Swaziland.
Ma uhamba around wherever you are, you carry your document. Watholakala ukuthi you are a non-Swazi or non-Mozambican or non-Nigerian, and then you don't have the documents with you. Lama documents noma se hotel ayokulandzela so sejele. You'll find a way yekwanazana. So ngicabanga ukuthi South Africa through ama officials wethu mina ngifuna uqamba manga. Ma officials wethu waka Home Affairs have lowered their guard. Customs, SARS, ma border case. Angisho ukuthi mina kunjani. Yes, ma border afile boko matipoti nje now silapha elibombe enzabeni. People crosses, yes. But laba crosser lapha ba cross abangana lutho. Umuntu afike eSouth Africa athi uyi refugee. I-refugee ase-Somalia. I-Refugees Act says you run to your nearest country. Umuntu wase-Swatini nangabe Mswati abashaya kabuhlungu abahlupha. Nabagijimele South Africa nase-Mozambique.
Yes.
And then umuntu wase-Somalia unelive edudane nayo. Lenge ngilisho. Uthi why bangabi khona? So tsine hayi Bangladesh. So akube njalo but lento ibese ikubeka estagini ukuthi kahle kahle government wethu angifuni uqamba manga as a media person now and again ke after ku announce kwelento ye-30.
Yes.
Government is popularizing every arrest of a foreigner. La toll gate nje itolo. Babophe Hilux and then bakubeke kwabasetulu ukuthi the suspect is a foreigner to ease the agitation of South Africans.
Baba asikusho lokho singakufihli sifuthi sikusho singabi namahloni ukuthi ubugebengu abukhokhi. 1 2 umuntu omusha mayifaka ebugebengweni ungcolisa irecord lakhe. 1 aphinde futhi azongcolisa nama-opportunity namathuba azivalela amathuba angasavuleke kuyena athola umsebenzi thola ukuthi usengene ebugebengweni. And number 3 koyingozi kakhulu kuko konke umsakazo wami ukuthi mayingene ebugebengweni angaba sengozini ukuthi asale enkundleni angashona. So sithi thina avele baphila impilo esimple, impilo ezoba crime free, as associated nama-community safety structures contribute positively endaweni, a-add value endaweni noma ngabe umsebenzi ungakaveli noma ngabe umsebenzi ungakabi khona kodwa asiyihlanganise nama-structures-ke enza izinto ezipositive. You will never know ngelinye ilanga there will come an opportunity kube khona umuntu okusportile ngesikhathi ukwi-program ethile okusporta ngesikhathi ukhuluma into ethile athi ngiyamdinga lo enkampanini yami bese sikwenzela i-reference usuyangena usuba employed. Asingenzi engazi ukuthi umuntu oqashiwe kuphela ophila impilo e-right nongaqashiwe uyephila impilo e-right uma ezi-associate nama-structures a-right, ezi-associate nabantu aba-right, e-eda a-positive life empilweni yakhe.